Hello and welcome back to Azar Pixel's channel, your go-to source for all things LED and AV equipment. Today we're walking through the repair process for an Aluvision 2.6mm indoor module. First, we inspect the module and identify the damaged pixels. In this case, we have 6 pixels to replace. A signal test helps us pinpoint exactly which ones aren't working. Once identified, we remove the shaders to make it easier to access the damaged pixels. Next, we carefully desolder the faulty pixels using tweezers, ensuring the base is clean for proper attachment. With steady hands, we install the new pixels, making sure they are properly aligned. We recommend keeping the modules attached to the frame during this step. This helps with precise placement and ensures a perfect fit. Once secured, we apply heat to dry and bond the pixels to the base. After that, we clean the surface and run a file signal test. If everything looks good, we reattach the shaders and do one last check to confirm the repairs. That's it! Your LED module is good as new. At AzarPixel, we bring your LED walls back to life. Why buy new when we can repair? Book your repair now at www.azarpixel.com or call the number on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.